By jumping spider. Jumping spiders are becoming increasingly popular as pets due to their curious nature, intelligence, and easy maintenance. If you are considering buying a jumping spider, it is essential to know where to purchase one, how to choose a healthy spider, and what to prepare before bringing it home. 1. Choose a reliable seller. When buying a jumping spider, always choose a reputable breeder or pet store that specializes in exotic pets. Avoid sellers with vague descriptions or no customer reviews. Online marketplaces can be an option, but always check the credibility of the seller before making a purchase. 2. Select the right species. There are many species of jumping spiders, but some are better suited as pets. Popular species include Phidippus regius, regal jumping spider, Phidippus audax, bull jumping spider, and Maritus volans, peacock spider. Research different species to find one that matches your experience level and preference. 3. Inspect the spider's health. A healthy jumping spider should be active, alert, and responsive to movement. Avoid spiders that appear lethargic, have missing legs, or show signs of dehydration, wrinkled abdomen. Ask the seller for pictures or videos of the spider before purchasing. Check for ethical and legal considerations. Ensure that the spider you are buying is not taken from the wild but bred in captivity. Wild-caught spiders can be stressed and may not adapt well to captivity. Also, check if there are any local laws or regulations regarding owning exotic spiders. 5. Prepare a suitable enclosure. Before bringing your jumping spider home, set up an appropriate enclosure. A small, well-ventilated container with climbing surfaces, hiding spots, and a secure lid is ideal. Use natural decorations like cork bark, leaves, and twigs to create a stimulating environment. 6. Understand feeding requirements. Jumping spiders primarily eat small insects like fruit flies, pinhead crickets, and small roaches. Ensure you have a steady supply of live food before buying a spider. Avoid feeding them insects from outside, as they may carry pesticides or parasites. 7. Learn about care and handling. Jumping spiders are generally harmless and can be handled gently, but they are fast and can jump unexpectedly. Avoid squeezing them and always handle them over a soft surface to prevent injury if they fall. 8. Check shipping and delivery options. If buying online, confirm that the seller provides safe shipping methods. Jumping spiders are delicate creatures, so they should be shipped in insulated containers with proper ventilation. Check weather conditions before shipping to avoid extreme temperatures. Jumping spiders make fascinating pets with their playful and intelligent behavior. By choosing a healthy spider from a reputable seller, setting up a proper enclosure, and understanding their care needs, you can enjoy a unique and rewarding experience. Always prioritize ethical buying practices and ensure that your new pet is well taken care of.